All right, we're back with some more baseball, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us. We here at Wax Zone appreciate every single one of you. Here is break 924, Series 2 Hobby, 3 boxes. Real quick eBay disclaimer, there is no purchase or payment necessary to enter the eBay sweepstakes. Please check the description of our listing for the rules and regulations of such sweepstakes. Here we go, 3 boxes. Call out your teams, call out your players. Silver packs. Let's get those likes to 10. We'll do another giveaway. For every 5 likes, we do a giveaway to everybody in the break. Series 2. Here we go. You know you love it. Love it. Summer breeze. Well, the boys still require a car seat, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it like an age thing? I forget. Or is it a height thing?
Age, height, weight.
All of it?
Yeah, I mean.
You could be a really tall 3-year-old and you still have to sit in.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I guess. I forget, you know. It's been a while. It's been a while. All right. Here we go. Here we go. All card chipped. Hollow of Drew Waters. Paul Goldschmidt, All-Star. Round the horn, Corey Seager. Round the horn, Lindor. Jackson Wolf. Aaron Judge. LaGuardia. A Brandon Crawford, Doo-Doo Brown out of 2024 for San Francisco. 1008 out of 2024, Brandon. And then out of 299, Fernando Tatis for San Diego. Look at that. Nice. Nice numbered Fernando. San Francisco's Airlines or airport. What do we got here? We got Vlad Jr. in the back covering all fields. Rookie.
What's up, Tyler? How you? Ooh, Tyler?
Tyler?
I was like, hold on.
What happened to Croatia, man? Chorvatia and Polska are garbage. Satchel Paige. Check that out. That's crazy.
Hope you're doing well, brother.
Both of our countries shit the bed, bro. One of my closest friends is in Dubrovnik right now. Well, actually coming back tomorrow. He got me a Luka Modric jersey.
Did he find one for you?
Yeah.
He did?
Yeah. Is this break 924? It is 924. Good. Yes, Tommy. Squid took Italy out, so yeah, that's true. I've noticed that like all the previous winners every year lose pretty early on. So I always got something new going on. Here's a Sandoval Hollow. Italy is out. So who are you rooting for now? Or if anybody? Boston Red Sox. I'm actually probably gonna give my jersey to the guy that parks my car. He like loves Croatia.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, he's like, "Are you going to Croatia?" I said, "No, I was supposed to, but no. I really want a Modric jersey." I said, "All right, well, I'll get one indirectly." What am I gonna? Am I gonna wear a hockey jersey? I mean, a soccer jersey. 1478 of 2024. Marcus Stroman for the Yankees. Doodoo Brown. Stroman. Have a big what? Have a big Lamine Yamal. I'm holding off on selling. Lamine, oh, you're hoping for Spain.
You said the one you got me.
No, man, that was a fucking nightmare. That's what you get when trying to order stuff like overseas. And you know, you never showed up, so I sold that one. Well, that was a nightmare. I'm gonna say this looks different, but it wasn't backwards. 23 out of 76. Trey Turner,
Nice.
U.S. of A. Just in time for 4th of July. Trey Turner, 23 of 76. Pat McClain.
Super low number.
Yeah, I for some reason almost did not catch that. Your damn customs didn't want this amazing person in your. Hey, we only let in the best, as they tell. We only let the best in, the very best.
The very best.
Or the very sneakiest. Garrett Cole, game used memorabilia. Well, we're going to have the Chicago, next year is going to be the Chicago convention again. Hey, he's a Victor Wembanyama.
Nice.
There you go, Vicky for Yankees. Not numbered, though. And Gabriel Moreno. Excuse me.
Bless.
That was a cough.
Oh,
All that fucking dust.
Oh, that's
Foil board dust. Oh, boy. Batter up. There's a Jason Dominguez, 35th. That's a nice one. All right. Y'all need new breaker. I'm in the market. What do you mean? You're no longer with
Whoa. What you talking about, man?
What you talking? Don't you're gonna get Arc all freaking wet over here. What's You
quit or did you get fired?
He's not gonna tell you that.
Which one is it?
It's irreconcilable differences. We're probably working that poor man to the bone. All right, discourse.
All right, man. I haven't fired that thing up since we stopped talking, man. I haven't.
Yeah. Poor Tyler was getting paid in chewing gum and some Cracker Jacks. He's like, I can't do this anymore.
Curious though, why'd you bounce, man?
They'll tell you in Discord. Look, Travis is happy. Tyler!
It's a family reunion, boys.
It is. Dude, if Joshua pops in right now, I'll quit. I will quit. I haven't seen Josh in forever. I mean, Jenny came in today. I mean, what's going on? It feels special. It's almost the last day of the quarter.
We gotta do a word. We need a word.
We need a word?
Yeah.
Tyler, baby. The word is Tyler.
We doing Tyler?
Everybody, write the word Tyler for the giveaway if you're in the break. Don't write your damn name, Tyler. He said I'm too drunk to handle Josh right now. All right, we're going to do another giveaway. Just write the word Tyler. Tyler in chat. Tyler. My man Tyler has popped his head in. For a chance at a free pack, just write the word Tyler.
The word or name.
The name. Yeah, there you go. Tommy's on it. Tommy got it. Jason got it. Travis has got it. Daniel's in. Jose's in the house. What's up, Jose? If you don't know what we're talking about, if there's about 18 people in chat, if you're any break tonight whatsoever, doesn't matter if it's past, current, or future tonight, you have a chance at a free pack of whatever's in the background there. All you got to do is write the word that I just told you, which is Tyler. And after this particular box, we'll run it, and you have a chance at a free pack. There's Marte. Martin. I say that to myself all the times, Tyler.
All of it. I'm like, hey, Martin.
Hey, Martin. What's going on, buddy? Because I love your cadence. You're so calm.
I love your cadence.
Yeah. Hey, Martin. I missed hearing your voice, man. It's been a while. Bobby Witt Jr. Sometimes I just listen to you breaking. It's not creepy at all. Some people need white noise, black noise, pink noise. I need some Tyler. Colorado. Can we just get a freaking auto? There's the auto. Curtis Mead. Curtis Mead. Looks like he signed the word Gerard. For the Rays. Curtis Mead on card auto. Congratulations. Congratulations, Curtis Mead for the Rays. Very nice.
Tyler, if we do anything right, we sure know how to make you feel good about yourself, right?
Damn right, Tyler. The welcome wagon. Maybe our border patrol doesn't, but we do. Miguel Cabrera. Supposed to go to see the Cubbies Wednesday night against the Phillies. Phillies at Cubbies. Foil board green. Garrett Whitlock. Green foil board. Garrett Whitlock. 81 of 499. For Boston. Spears. J-Rod. All right. As soon as I'm done with this stack, we're going to run it. So if you're just Cubs got this, love Series 2, hit the Golden Mirror, showtime for someone, I'll do my best. Please write the word Tyler, the name Tyler in chat for a chance at a free pack giveaway. As soon as I'm done with opening this box, we're going to run the Chatters giveaway. You're eligible if you're any break tonight. There's a Max Scherzer hollow. Hey, have you pulled any, Tyler, of Kevin Hart? Did I already ask you this before? Did you ever pull a Kevin Hart on a Phillies card? Vlad Jr. again? Because I've been hoping to pull one. Hasn't happened. There's a Duder Brown of Luis Urias. 1502 out of 2024. He says, nah, no shit. All right, Lawler. Jackie Robinson. Home run challenge for Arozarena, Tampa Bay. All right, this is the last stack right here. So, last chance. If you're in any break tonight, write the name Tyler in chat. Do it now. Francisco Lindor. Do it now. As soon as I'm done with this stack right here in my hand, we're running it. Out of 399. Ooh, that's a cool one. Future Stars Aqua Foil Board of Garrett Mitchell for the Milwaukee Brewers. 258 of 399. Garrett Mitchell. Some foil boards. There's our Hank Aaron. And a Mookie Betts LAX. All right. Run it. Let's see who wins. Jose! Congratulations, Jose. And I know you know the drill. Well, saw Chris on Chasing Cardboard episode. Oh, you saw him pull it? Oh, you saw Chris. Oh, Chris. That Chris. Yeah. Well, I like that dude in Elgin. You saw that collection, Tyler? That was amazing. That was crazy. That dude was collecting everything. We do have basketball today, Jose.
Oh, for PAX.
Oh, PAX.
We're out, brother.
No, Jose, who did you say was your favorite player again?
I don't know who.
Jose, who's your favorite player? Who do you PC? Hawks. Hawk to it. Wade. Ooh, Wade. Wade. Hold on. Sorry. You say Wade?
Yeah.
Like Dwayne Wade?
Yeah.
Like,
Not. Yes.
Like P Wade?
Yeah, bro.
Curveball. Just pull the D Wade. You're gonna love me. Here's what I'm gonna send you, Jose. You know why? Because of all the trouble Ark gave you. I'm gonna give you a rookie Fleer Platinum portrait D Wade that I was about to send in to get graded from the 2004 Fleer rookie D Wade insert. Fleer. Raw, this thing even sells pretty well. So how's that sound, Jose?
We didn't have basketball, so there you go, Jose.
Is that okay? He's like, man, I got 50 of these. No, you don't. He said he Atlanta.
Yeah, in Obsidian.
Obsidian, which is 926.
Yep. You're welcome, man.
I was literally getting ready to send this for grading, so there you go. That's what I do.
Where the hell did you hit that?
I had bought like a 2004 box, and that was D Wade's rookie year. Aw, Tyler. Don't start saying rumors that aren't true. People are like, I collect Kobe. I collect. I'm like, wait a second. Yeah, so I literally was getting my cards ready to send in a grading thing. I'm like, I saw what those cards sell for. I was like, damn, okay.
Oh, nice.
So I'm like, I'll definitely want to get this graded. That's the only reason I remember it. Tyler's like, I collect the donkey. How much, Hero? How much for the Luca? Yeah, me too. I got plenty of Lucas. That I can give away. I got enough Lucas to give away. That's for sure. But I think that may have been my only D Wade. I think I have one that's an auto. I do have one that's an auto, but that one I'm not giving away. Oh my God, Tyler's bringing up all the old tracks. So you dip?
Oh, boy.
You dip? Why you dip? Blast from the past.
Been a while.
It's been a while. There's a Ellie De La Cruz. All right, well, once we get to, what is it, 15 likes now? I don't even know anymore. 15, we'll do the giveaway again. Nick, SMC Breaks, thank you guys. And Tommy Brown, thank you for the subscription, yeah. So we can do another giveaway as soon as we get to 15 likes. Where we at? 12. 3 more likes and we'll do another giveaway, another free pack giveaway. We do it every 5. Hey, we got a Doo-Doo Brown, Tristan Gray out of 2024 and 1396 of 2024. Hunter Evans run for. This guy was upside down and inside out, and I guess he is Ha Song Kim. So there you go. There is the home run challenge of Bryce Harper for the Phillies. All card chip, ladies and gentlemen. You're welcome, Jose. He played for just missing a Cavs auto. Oh, okay. I bought a 75th anniversary. I want to say it was either Flawless or something, D-Wade. And I don't know. It was Cavs. It was Cavs. So, they're not cheap. Jose Altuve. Trying to collect all the 75th anniversary, every 75th greatest players on card auto. That's been my thing. Darius Vines for the Braves. Green foil board out of 499. 32 of 499. Green foil board. All right. There's Derek Jeter. Jeter. Puppy beater. Huh? What? I'm just starting rumors for no reason. Bryce Harper. What's wrong with you? I was scared he would leave. Now that he got a 5-year max rookie extension, I'm back into collecting him. Oh, Scotty Barnes? Yeah, he's in. You can get all the Scotty Barnes you want, man. I don't collect Scotty. Scotty doesn't know. Here's a Bryce Harper All-Star 35th anniversary. Scotty doesn't know. Scotty doesn't know. Have you still been getting into a lot of breaks? Brett Batty. Or did you take it easy? Jacob Young. There's a Craig Biggio. Does Craig Biggio not look like Tom Brady? I mean, seriously. Did you say wife?
Say wife.
Someone need a green card or something? What's? Dude, if you got married and didn't invite us, bro,
you'll never start typing today.
Yeah. He's going to regret. He's going to wake up, sobering up, going, what the hell did I write? Shohei Ohtani.
Did you get married for real? Future wife. Okay, all right.
Okay.
Did you propose?
Yeah, I was going to say, is that here's O'Neal Cruz, Major League Material player worn for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Congratulations. Pittsburgh. I called her that. Well, I hope you're the only one that's calling her that. Because it may get weird.
What does she call you?
Yeah, what does she call you? Salvador Perez. Please tell me you say, my wife. That'd be really funny. Well, I'm going to see if I can say it like you. My wife. No, I can't even do it. I can't do a Tyler Borat combination. What is this? This is backwards. Ooh, nice. Blue. All-Star J-Rod. Check that out. This must be a short print. Short print. What a nice blue color. Boyfriend of the week? Jesus, Tyler. He goes, I just buy singles now. I'm just catching up. So wait, did you propose? Did I miss that part?
You didn't answer.
Or he just calls it. Oh, he doesn't want to say. Women in baseball. Veronica Alvarez for the Oakland A's. And Spencer Strider.
Soon, he
soon. Well, you better start selling cards to buy a ring. She's not gonna fall for the let me get you a PSA graded. She wants to see something that's
She wants to see diamonds.
diamonds. She wants the 4 C's, my friend. Carat, color, clarity, and cut. She wants to see the GIA, not the PSA. You know what I'm saying? I know a thing or two, or about a thing or two. Fernando Tatis, Padres. Remember when you and I went? I'll never forget that day.
Yeah, don't
What's that?
Don't bring it up.
Wasn't that like 12 years ago? No, 13 years ago. She bought me a graded Croatian. That's sounds kind of like,
bro.
You know what? I'm gonna stop. Ozzie Smith, Cardinals. Fred McGriff, Blue Jays, and Shota Imanaga. There's a Shota Imanaga. Oh, don't touch them because I have to check if they're numbered. Well, I guess you could do it. Yeah, I'm well aware. We got some color. Joe Mauer, Twins. Tyler Soderstrom, A's. Shohei Ohtani in a red. Greg Maddux. Ooh, that's a low number. Congratulations to Atlanta. 1 out of 5. Red Mojo. Greg Maddux. Wow. Wowie wow. Congratulations. 1 out of 5. Greg Maddux. Nice hit. She doesn't believe that you have 5 kids and 2 sets of twins, Ark. Tell her I'm not lying. It's a lava, he said. His wife doesn't believe you have 5. We have more color.
She really doesn't believe you that I have 5 kids?
Yeah.
Why would she not believe you?
Yoshinobu Yamamoto. Nobody would make that shit up. Jackie Robinson.
Yes.
Nolan Jones.
2 sets of twins.
Ooh, that's another. Now that's a hit. 87 of 150. There you go, Baltimore. That's what you want. Gunnar Henderson.
Bro, I've never seen these packs be so good.
Yeah.
That's wild.
87 of 150. Blue. Gunnar Henderson. Very nice. The rest are not numbered, but damn. Nice Gunnar. Damn nice. Jason, you got Orioles? All right, we're going to do a recap. Recapo. Caporapo. We got some foil boards. We got some foil boards. Congrats, Jason. We did get 1 Wemby for the Yankees. There you go. We had a J-Rod Blue All-Star. These are not numbered, but short print. Cool. We did get a Fernando Tatis San Francisco Airport, numbered out of 299, 55 of 299 for the Padres. We had some Duda Browns. These are all out of 2024. Tristan Gray rookie for the Rays, 1396 of 24. Luis Urias for Seattle, 502 of 2024. A Marcus Stroman for the Yankees, 1470 out of 2024. And a Brandon Crawford for the Giants, 1008 out of 2024. We did get the America border, Trey Turner for the Phillies, 23 of 76. We had a Garrett Mitchell Aqua foil board for the Milwaukee Brewers, 258 of 399. We had 2 green foil boards, 1 Garrett Whitlock for Boston, 81 of 499. And then a Darius Vines rookie for the Braves, 32 of 499. We did get some relics. Garrett Cole for the Yankees. And a O'Neal Cruz for the Pirates. We had 1 auto, and that was Gerard, also known as Curtis Mead, rookie on card for the Rays. There you go. And we had a Gunnar Henderson, 87 of 150, Blue Mojo. 35th anniversary, congrats. And also a Lava Red Greg Maddux for the Braves, 1 of 5. Congratulations. All right, we will be right back with some NBA, ladies and gentlemen.